Welcome back to this video, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how to install fonts in Windows laptop. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Is to open up our browser to download free font from internet. So let's go. So the next thing we want to do here is to be sure we go to our address bar and type in dafont.com, then you press enter. So on getting to this site right here, you can simply scroll down and download and install any type of font of your choice. So in this tutorial, I'm going to install this particular font right here, Reach. So for me to download the font, I have to come to download button right here. I'll click on download. It is free for personal use. Then immediately you click on download, then your download folder is going to be prepared just like what you see right here. Okay, so the file has successfully downloaded. After a successful download, we are going to exit from the web page right here. Then we have to head over to our folder on PC. So I'm going to head over to my downloads right here. Then right here we have the fonts. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is to simply right click on this particular zip folder. Then I'm going to make sure I click on copy. Then I have to go back to my desktop. So here's my font folder. I'm going to click on it and press enter key on my keyboard. Then I'll right click. I'll make sure I paste the zip here. So the next thing I need to do is to make sure I click on the zip folder. Then I have to right click again. Then from the option right here, I'll make sure I choose extract here. So we have the font right here, okay, which is this. So what we want to do next is to make sure we delete unnecessary file. So we are going to select this and I'm going to press Ctrl key on my keyboard. I'm going to select readme file and I'm going to select the San Francisco typography logo and font at the likes. Then I'm going to press Shift key and delete key on my keyboard. This window is going to pop up. Then I'll make sure I click on yes. So that has been permanently deleted. So this is the file we need right here. This is the real font file that we need to install on our Windows PC. So I'm going to select on it right away. Then I will right click again and I'll make sure I look for copy right here. Then the next thing we want to do on our keyboard, we have to press Window key plus R. So this is going to pump up. Then from here, make sure font is here. Next thing you want to do here is simply click on OK. So it's going to take us to the font file folder right here. So we can simply scroll down right here. And the next thing we want to do is to make sure we right click. Then we have to look for paste right here. So we have the font successfully installed on our PC. So we can simply locate the font. So the font name is Merish. So right here, we have the font successfully installed. You can see it right here, Merish Regular. So this font here can be used on any application on your Windows PC. So this is what I have for you as far as how you can install font in your Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.